Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Shikha Garg. Today we'll discuss about gut health, gut microbiome. Why is it important? Our gut or intestine has almost millions of bacteria which are good for health. They are helping us in absorption of lot of minerals, vitamins, even in a good way carbohydrates. So our keeping our body in a balance in terms of nutrition, in terms of energy, in keeping us healthy. All these things, gut microbiome is very important thing. So that lately when you eat lot of junk food, that gut microbiome gets into a disbalance, and then the absorption also reduces. So when you are taking junk food in terms of fatty food, or eating outside frequently, and not eating green veggies, not eating fruits, not eating taking a good fiber, these all lead to disbalance of the gut microbiome. So what is called microbiome is the microorganisms present in the gut. So they are all friendly bacteria. They are very much needed, and you need to maintain a healthy gut. Gut is called second brain. There's a reason it is called second brain, because it balances everything, right? Apart from that, when you are not having adequate exercise, that also makes your gut suffer. So sitting for long hours is not healthy for your gut, not healthy for your bones, not healthy for your health. So keep moving, keep working out, keep walking. At least 1 hour, 30 to 40 minutes or 1 hour exercise is daily needed. Apart from that, frequent breaks if you're having a sedentary lifestyle is needed. Apart from that, if you're skipping your probiotics food in terms of your normal foods present, either you can take the supplements, or best is to take in the natural food way. Yogurt, kefir, kanji, or lot of foods are there which can be fermented, and fermented foods have all the good bacteria which are needed for your gut microbiome. So that is important. Apart from that, antibiotics, when you are taking antibiotics without prescription, or when it is not needed specifically in common cold and things, when the actual problem is viral, when you're taking those antibiotics, they are going to kill the good bacteria of your gut. And when the gut bacteria are getting killed, there is a disbalance, there would be damage to the absorption, damage to everything. And of course, antibiotics are not needed everywhere. So without prescription, antibiotics is making you suffer in a lot many ways which you are not aware of. So always visit your doctor when you need antibiotics. Do not self-prescribe, do not go to the local pharmacist or chemist and take 1 dose, 2 dose, 1 day dose, anything. Please do not do that. It is very much dangerous in terms of gut microbiome, also in creating a resistance for the antibiotics. So after this, we'll discuss what would be the good ways to maintain gut health, other factors or features which can be discussed, all those things, and which are the good bacteria. Thank you.